at this valve. First, from the top, you will see the screw base is mogul base A14. We also can build the A27, the medial base. Moving eyes on the top. On the right, you will see the ETL number and the loaders. On the left, you will see the names, basic data, words, power factor, and the certified CE and rows. For ETL, through the wattage, we have 30 wattage, 40 wattage, 50 wattage, and 6 wattage. Okay, then take a look at the body of the NAND. You will see the LED chips. We use the EP stuff imported from Taiwan. It got higher lumens, power factor, and the CRR. Inside, you will see the heat sink, aluminum heat sink. It's very good material and design. For this NAND, we also can use a wider applications. Our customers use them in a warehouse, factory, supermarket, shopping mall, packing garage, and etc. If you have the traditional fixture, you also can use this bulb to replace. Now I will show you the power, what the power we use for this NAND. First, from the appearance, this is a very good power supply. From the appearance, you will see it's aluminum shell. Aluminum shell is a very good material for heat dissipation. From inside, you will see the two capacities. We call the double state driver. When you lighting the bulb, you can see the flickering. I think this is very important for the customer. Now I show you the collecting of the power. In this end, you will see it's input ACM, and this is output end, DCM, and this G9 is for collecting the fans inside of the bulb for helping the heat dissipation. Next, I would like to show you the two bulbs. This is LED com bulb. 90 wattage, and this is the metal Halide bulb, 250 wattage. They can replace each other. How crazy! Okay, let me show you the LED bulb. Okay, just screw it on and turn on the switch. Wow, so bright! Now we would like to take a look at the bulb to see the datas. What are they are? First one is input wattage. You can see it's 230 watts. The range we can build is 100 to 277. Next one is current. And the third one is power. The power 90 wattage. And the last one is the power factor. Wow, it's so high power factor. You will see it's 0.998. Okay. You will see 90 wattage can replace 250 wattage traditional bulb. You will see how much electricity here you can see. Let me take an example for you. If you're lighting this bulb in a day at 80 hours, it will cost you around 2 degrees. And if you use the 90 LED bulb, it only costs 0.7 degrees. So in a day, you can save 1.3 degrees. And in a year, you can save 468 degrees. You will know how much money you can save in a year. And for this type, we can also build with a clear cover and the fluorescent cover. If you wanted to make her dusting-proof or higher IP rating, you can choose this type. And with cover, the lighting goes to ground. It will be more informative. finish my today's introduction for you. If you want to be our distributor, you can feel free to contact our sales team shown on our website. We have a faster delivery time for you. If you order samples, we have in stock for you. If you order mass production, we got 800 pieces per day. So it's a very faster delivery time for you. Thank you.